Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two popular mini-split brands, Mr. Cool and Pioneer. Both are well known for their efficiency and affordability, but which one is the better choice for your home? Stick around as we break down the features, pros, cons, and ideal use cases for each brand. Before we dive into the video, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and leave a comment below. Overview of Mr. Cool Mini Splits. Mr. Cool has made a name for itself with its innovative and DIY-friendly HVAC systems. Key features. First, DIY installation. Pre-charged line sets allow homeowners to install the system without professional help, saving significant costs. 2. Energy efficiency. Many models boast SEER ratings above 20, ensuring cost-effective heating and cooling. Third, smart technology. Most Mr. Cool systems are Wi-Fi enabled, offering remote control via a smartphone app and integration with smart home systems like Alexa or Google Home. Fourth, extreme temperature performance. The hyperheat models excel in low temperatures, down to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. Pros perfect for DIY enthusiasts. Offers a range of sizes for single or multi-zone setups. Energy efficient, saving on utility bills. Excellent heating performance in cold climates. Cons. Slightly higher upfront cost compared to Pioneer. DIY installation might still be challenging for some users. Overview of Pioneer Mini Splits. Pioneer is another popular brand known for offering affordable and reliable mini-split systems. Key features. 1. Affordable pricing. Pioneer systems are budget-friendly, making them an excellent option for cost-conscious buyers. 2. Energy efficiency. While not as high as Mr. Cool, Pioneer systems still offer decent SEER ratings, often around 18 to 20. 3. Compact design. The indoor units are sleek and modern, fitting well into most home designs. 4. Wide availability. Pioneer systems are widely available online and through various retailers. Pros, more affordable upfront cost. Simple installation process for experienced professionals. Reliable performance for moderate climates. Solid heating and cooling for single-zone systems. Cons, lacks DIY installation features. Lower performance in extreme temperatures compared to Mr. Cool. Fewer smart technology options. Key differences between Mr. Cool and Pioneer. Let's break down the main differences. First, installation. Mr. Cool, DIY-friendly with pre-charged line sets, eliminating the need for professional installation. Pioneer requires professional installation, which adds to the overall cost. Second, smart features. Mr. Cool offers Wi-Fi connectivity and smart home integration for remote control and convenience. Pioneer lacks built-in Wi-Fi but can be upgraded with additional accessories. Third, performance in extreme temperatures. Mr. Cool hyperheat models excel in sub-zero temperatures, making them ideal for cold climates. Pioneer, best suited for moderate climates with limited performance in extreme cold. Fourth, price. Mr. Cool, higher upfront cost due to DIY capabilities and advanced features. Pioneer, more affordable, making it attractive for budget-conscious buyers. 5. Energy efficiency. Mr. Cool. SEER ratings often exceed 20, leading to long-term savings on energy bills. Pioneer. SEER ratings typically range from 18 to 20. Still efficient, but not as high as Mr. Cool. Who should choose Mr. Cool? Mr. Cool is the better choice if you want to save on installation costs with a DIY-friendly system, live in a region with extreme temperatures, and need reliable heating or cooling year-round, value smart technology and remote control options. Subscribe, leave a comment, and smash the like bar. Who should choose Pioneer? Pioneer is ideal if you are looking for an affordable mini-split system with reliable performance. Live in a moderate climate where extreme temperature performance isn't a priority. Don't mind hiring a professional for installation. Side-by-side comparison table. Feature Mr. Cool Pioneer. Installation, DIY-friendly professional. Recommended SEER ratings, up to 22 plus 18 to 20 smart features, built-in Wi-Fi, Alexa/Google optional accessories only. Extreme temp performance down to -22 degrees Fahrenheit. Moderate climates only price higher, upfront, budget-friendly. So which one should you choose? Mr. Cool is perfect for DIY enthusiasts, extreme climates, and tech-savvy homeowners who want energy efficiency and advanced features. Pioneer, on the other hand, is a great choice for budget-conscious buyers in moderate climates who value simplicity and reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments which system you're considering. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Stay cool and comfortable, and we'll see you in the next video.